For this one specifically, I have to unscrew the old one. You can see I'll be screwing the old one. You go, and the other screw as well. You go. Let's put this thing there. Now let's remove the screws, and now you can see that this the old one. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to remove the wires, and then I will fill in the hole with the adhesive tape, and we will install the new one. Apparently it's not going to look very well, but I'm not going to focus on the visual in the moment. I'm going to focus just on the actual installation. After removing the old button, my suggestion is to stick the wires inside the hole, and then to clean a little bit the space. Just make sure it's uneven enough. The main goal here is to be able to put the tape, the adhesive tape here on top of the hole, and to stick to the actual wood. That's why I suggest you, if you have any spirits, to clean up the space a little bit, and to make sure the tape can stick on top of the hole. I will show you the final result. Get an old cloth and put some spirit on top of it to clean the space. Now just wrap it up very well to make sure we can stick the tape on top of it. Just wait for a while to make sure that thing dries out, and then put the adhesive tape on top of it. First you have to remove the cover from the adhesive tape from one side, so I'm going to remove this one. Here you go. It's not so easy with one arm, but let's see. We remove it. Here you go. You can see I'm taking it off, and now you just have to stick it here on top of the hole. Here you go. Make sure it's even, looks nice. You can see I need to press it a little bit. Here you go. Looks good. And you have two options in this situation. You can put and use those small screws on top of the hole here, like this, and then screw it with a drill, or you can leave it as it is. The only one concern, which may come or may not come up, is after a while the tape can fall from the door, and that's why my suggestion is to use those screws which are provided with the set to make it more stable. For my case, I'm thinking to put the screws just in case, to make the hold much smoother and strength and more. And here you go. This is the final screw. Nice. And now we have to remove the other side of the tape. Go, not so easy. You go. It's almost there. I remove the cover like that. Like that. Go. Nice. And now we just need to put the transmitter or the actual button. Make sure it aligns well with the tape. There you go. It looks nice. Cool. And that's it. Small suggestion, because apparently in my case the belt button was a little bit bigger, and of course the frame of the door was painted a while back. Doesn't look good, but there are different options. If you have a paint, basically you can put like a white paint on top of it and probably it will disappear, especially on the top side of the transmitter. On the bottom side you can apparently do the same thing, but it's not so visual. There are different options. Maybe you can buy a white tape and put it there. It's not going to look very well, but it's still something. My suggestion is buy some white paint and just paint it a little bit. It will be nice. Cool.